Hey guys, so this will be my first update for my first ever project pan. First things first, I have decided to take the palette out of this video and just put in a separate video. So the palette that I'm panning that was in the intro for this one, I'm gonna do a separate video for that and just do updates and explain more with my goals on that in a separate video, because I feel like, I don't know, I really like watching pan that palettes and I find them more interesting than this other stuff. But like, if you want to watch both, you can watch both. So like, this video will probably be up on like a Sunday, and then the palette one will probably be up on a Friday of the same week. I'll probably put them up on the same week, but just split it up so that I can like discuss more, maybe, if I need to, or anything. And yeah, I cut my hair, but you probably already saw it because I did a video cutting my hair. So yeah, I really like it. It's really nice. But let's get into this stuff. I'm gonna be filming the palette one right after this though, but I'm gonna be posting it different days, but I'm just gonna film it right after this one. Okay, so first I'll go with the fragrances first. This one, no progress because I haven't been working on it, of course, because I'm working on this one first, and then I'm probably gonna move to that one. But this one is I actually made way more progress than I thought I would. You see how big I thought I would go like to there, like right there, like just a little bit under. But no, I've been making really good progress on this, and it's like, and it's really surprising. It kind of smells like grape juice. It smells really sweet and like kind of fruity. Kind of smells like grape juice, like that sparkling grape juice you get like around New Year's. It smells like that kind of. But yeah, that's what it kind of smells like. And I'm making really good progress, so I'm hoping to finish this one in like, I think 2 more months would be a good estimate on how fast I'm going through it right now with that line. Like, I think 2 more months and it will either be empty or almost empty. So hopefully in 2, maybe 3 more months this will be empty, and then I can work on this one, which I'm hoping this one only takes me like 2 months too, because it's like, see, it's like all the way down there. So I'm hoping this one won't take that long, and once I finish these 2, I'm gonna be rolling in a different one after those 2 are done. So yeah, so hopefully 2, maybe 3 more months on this, and then I'll work on that one. Okay, so let's start with this one. This one is the thing I'm using as a primer. Is the Body Shop Vitamin C Instant Glow Enhancer. It's like water. It's like basically like so thin. It's thin and watery, and so progress is going pretty slow. I mean, I thought I would get through more, but like, now that I see the line, I feel like that's a pretty decent amount. I do need like shake it each time I use it, like, but like, I feel like that's a decent amount, and I think I can finish this by the end of the year, and I'll just get through it when I get through. I don't know how long this will take me though. I don't have a guess yet. Probably by next month or the month after, I might have a guess on how long this one will take me to finish, but not as much as I thought it would be, but it's still pretty good progress. This one only has a teeny bit of progress. This is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 110 Porcelain, and it has teeny bit of progress. This January month, I wasn't wearing makeup for like 2 weeks during this month because I just didn't feel like it. I was really not feeling it. I wasn't doing stuff, so I really want to try to get back up to like wearing makeup more, wearing it at least 3 times a week, if not 5. I want to really try to push for 5 and really try to finish these products. But yeah, and I've also been mixing it with this one, which this one is not in this project, But but since I'm mixing these two, I will tell you guys when this one empties. Like, even if I mix these two, I still need to adjust it a little bit. I usually mix those two. I have like a little Lush sample pot that I mix those two in, and then I mix a little bit of pink into it because it's not pink enough, and then I mix a little bit of moisturizer to thin it out a little bit more, and then that's how I use it from that little pot, and I just put it on. But yeah, that's the progress I have right now. So since I am mixing it with this, I'm kind of hoping to finish this one. That's not in the project, but I'm kind of hoping to finish that one and then get it like to like a halfway mark or something for this at least. If I could finish both those, that would be great, and that would be like dream goal. But I don't think that happened. So yeah, and then I have this pink lip gloss. I don't know how quickly I would go through this right now, because this big chunk of progress like was from the last 2 weeks, mostly. So it's like, so I have been trying. I did want to see some progress on it, so that's why I was like kind of forcing myself to use it a little bit more. But like, I don't know. I'm really like, I would rather, like, I've been using either this or this. This is a tinted lip balm, and it like kind of stains my lips a little bit. And I've been focusing more on this, so I want to finish this. And then once I finish this, I'll probably use this when I want that like little bit of color kind of look. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the piece of paper. And also, after this update, I'm gonna be doing I saw this thing from this one girl, this one panel, Christina Chain, I think is her channel. I'll link it down below. But she tallies each time she uses a product, and I'm gonna be doing that. So going forward, because I didn't know about it till like a week after I saw this project, and I'm like, darn it, that's a really small idea. But yeah, okay. So I'm gonna be doing that going forward. This is the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. This is a purple. It tints your lips pink. It stains a little bit too, so it like goes, and this is my, let me see if I can get this. Yeah, see, so that's where it started. It started almost brand new. It had a little bit of use, and I got about halfway, I would say. And I really want to try to finish this by next update. If not, get it almost to the point of finishing it. I don't know if I'm going to dig this out. I usually dig out lip balms, like lipsticks. I don't really dig out because that's a lot of work for a lipstick. But lip balms I usually dig out. And I don't know if I'm going to dig this one out. It depends on what I'm feeling and stuff like that. But yeah, that's the update for that one. And then I have the e.l.f. moisturizing lipstick in pink minx. I'm wearing it right now, and that is the progress for what am I doing with my life. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I got a little bit of progress. Like, I'm trying to measure it from where that lipstick starts, not like here, but that after that little black little bit. But I had like very little progress like a week ago, because I usually wear it down like so it still has that swoopy bit. But then the last couple times I've been using it, I've tried to flatten out the tip a little bit because it was pretty like that on an angle. So I've tried to flatten out the tip a little bit, and it makes me look like I have more progress. So I don't know if I'm gonna continue to just use it how I usually use it, which is when it gets, I got some on my finger, that swoopy bit, and then try to flatten out in the last like couple times I use it before the update and see, because it's still using the product even if I try to flatten out or use it my normal way. I mean, it still uses the product, it still goes and use it. I don't know if I'm gonna finish this year. I was really hoping to get two or three lipsticks done this year, and I just don't think that's possible. Like, with how slow this is going, like, I made pretty good progress, but lipsticks just take forever. I'm wearing this right now with this lip liner that's in the project, and so this is go on to this lip liner. This is the Color Workshop lip pencil. It doesn't have a color. It was from one of those like Christmas sets from like Walmart that was like a huge set for like $15. One of those sets, but it's this middle one. I made pretty good progress on it, probably because the tip fell out of it once. So yeah, right after I like sharpened it, done it! I got pink on the patch. I don't know why I overly pronounced things there, but yeah, that's where I am now. So I made pretty good progress. Like, every single time I wear this, I like fill in the sides all the way, like the edges, and then I fill in a little bit at the top. I kind of like ombre-ish, and then use this to mostly just fill in the middle, and then pull it over the lip liner a little bit, because this one is just a touch darker than this, but they pair really well together. And I think once I finish this pencil, this one might go quicker. So I don't know. I'm hoping to continue to get good progress on this, and hopefully this is at least gone by the end of the year, if the lipstick isn't gone. Okay, next I'm going to update this NYX lip liner in Rose. You see there's a teeny bit progress like there, and I've actually decided that I don't really like this color on me. The only way I kind of like it is if I put like a lip balm and then just put like a tiny bit in the middle and then sheer it out, and like that would be so hard to pan, and I don't use lip liners, and that's why I'm trying to pan the two that I own. So I think I'm just going to give this to my friend. I'm going to sharpen it and then give it to my friend and just take it out of this project, take it out of my collection, and just get rid of it. It's like a super bright pink, and I can't wear it with as many looks as I can. Like this one is like a pink, but it's kind of muted, and it's kind of, I don't know what, it's kind of like muted, and I think it's more like neutrally than like this pink, because this pink, I'll swatch the pencil. But yeah, like this, I can wear way more than this one. This one is just so bright, and the only way I will be able to wear it if I did a neutral look or like a super pink look, which I just haven't been into lately. I've been into like purples and all that stuff, so I'm just get rid of this, and I think my friend would use it way more than I would, so I'm just putting it in the bag of it. I have like an Ulta bag for my friend, and I'm just throwing anything I want, anything I don't want in there. So yeah, that's that. And then this little bugger. This is my Wet n Wild Color Icon eye pencil in copper. I'm wearing this with this look, although it's really weird with this look. I was like, well, a guy use it, and then it doesn't go with this purple look, because it's a warm brown pencil. It's not copper, it's just a warm brown pencil with some shimmer in it. But yeah, so I'll probably put X through that, but one, so you know. So I'll probably do the tallies on the back of this, and just be like, each time I use a product, I'll like put the name or like an abbreviation for the name. I can just put like pink lipstick and then do a tally. And I'll probably just do a tally for both of these together, because I do use them together every single time I wear this, pretty much. I mean, I think I only wore this once or twice without the pencil, so But yeah, I probably won't do it for the lip balm because this is gonna be gone within the next month. So I won't do it for the lip balm. And then like this, the foundation, I'll like tally it with the primer. I'll be those two will be together because it's like, I don't know. I probably won't tally the spray though. So I'll probably tally like this pencil, the lipstick, the gloss maybe, and like that. So it's like 1, 2, 3, like 4 of the items. But yeah. Okay. I am dropping things. So yeah, that's the right one, right? Yeah. Wet n Wild Copper Eye Pencil. So that's where I am. See, I made the tiniest bit of progress. So I really don't think I'm gonna finish this. Oh man, I've been talking a lot. I really don't think I'm gonna finish this by the end of the year. Right now, I think I might try to get to the end of that bunny. You see, that's a bunny. And I think I might try to get to the bunny first and then see if I can get to the end of the bunny. And that's my goal right now. Because I don't know if I can use this. I was really hoping to be able to use this in a year. But since it's so small, it's like a half size. But oh my god, this takes... I didn't realize how long eyeliners really lasted. And it just takes so long. So much longer than I thought. So... yeah, as you can see, my waterline just looks really brown right now. But, so, yeah. So, that's all the products that are in my project pan. And those are my goals. And I'll just see you guys next time. Bye.